Welcome friends to our new channel Market Next. The only objective of this channel is to provide regular updates on the Market Next investment strategy. Today we are going to learn about the flag pattern. The flag pattern is actually a continuation pattern and can be used to take a breakout trade. Bullish flag formation are found in a stock with a stock up trade. They are called the pull flags because the pattern resembles a flag on a pole. The pole is a result of vertical rise in a stock and the flag result from the period of consolidation. After a steep rise in a stock price, it will take sideways for some time with a small downside in a price. This period is consolidation and it is called a flag. The steep price increase is called a pole. During the consolidation period, stock is getting prepared for the next up move. Reverse is true for inverse for a flag formation, which can be used in a down trade. One of the important factor during the flag breakout is the volume. We will see a sharp increase in volume when the breakout happens. Let's understand the flag pattern in more detail. The flag pattern forms what look like a small channel, either flat or sloping. The channel is formed by two parallel trend lines that act as a support and resistance for the price until the price breaks out. In general, flag will not be perfectly flat but will have its trend lines sloping. In general, the slope of the flag should move in opposite direction of the initial sharp price movement. So if the initial movement were up, the flag should be downward sloping. The buy or sell signal is formed once the price break through the support or the resistance level, with the trend continuing in the prior direction. This breakthrough should be on heavier volume to improve the signal of the chart pattern. Now let's understand the time frame used in a flag pattern. For positional trades, use daily, weekly, monthly time frame, and for the intraday trading, you can use 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame. Longer the time frame, stronger the breakout. When you use daily time frame, ensure the breakout happens when the price closes above the trend line on a daily closing price basis. Same applies for the weekly and monthly time frame. Now let's understand the target in a flag pattern. The target is set based on the height of the pole. Once flag or pennant give price breakout above the trend line, then we can expect it to achieve the height of the pole from the breakout point. Now let's check how to identify the support level in flag pattern. The flag top trend line becomes an immediate support level after breakout and the bottom trend line is your final support. Keep the respective breakout candle low as immediate support. Weakness is shown once the price closes below the breakout point. But do not exit in panic. You can exit once the price closes below the bottom trend line of the flag. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please don't forget to hit like button. Also subscribe and share our channel for regular updates. Your like, share and subscription will encourage us to post more detailed analysis about market. Also subscribe our Telegram channel for more detail and option trades using link shared in the description.